How to log in Shein account. Logging into your Shein account in 2024 is quick and straightforward process. So we are basically logging in using the web browser on my PC. So let's get started. On a web browser, simply go to the Shein website. Then once you're inside the website, you can see the You person icon available right next to the cart. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, in the drop-down menu, you can see Sign in and Register. Tap on it and now simply enter the email address or phone number linked to your account. Now you will be navigated to Input your password. If you registered using a social media account or Apple ID, click Continue with Google, Facebook, Apple or other social login options, then follow the prompts to log in. And then tap or click the sign in button to log into your account. If Shein prompts for a security code, check your email or phone for the code and enter it to verify your identity. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.